Welcome to Grow Reload. I'm Anthony, and I have an unboxing for you with the CyberPower CP1500PFCLCD. So this battery backup, I've already done an unboxing and a review of before. However, they did change a few things, so I decided to do another one unboxing just to see if anything changed in how they're packaging it, or if they've improved stuff with it as well. I think the LCD now is in color, and these things have worked great for me. I have two other ones, one on my Xbox and one on my main desktop, but now I need something for working from home, get my laptop on it, and making sure that everything is always up and running, because working from home, we've had a couple power outage here, and it doesn't bode very well when you're trying to get some work done and the power goes out. So I picked up another one of these, and they work great overall in the ones that I've already have, and hopefully that this one works just as well. So hopefully you'll be able to see a lot of this. This is not a light product by any means. What was the shipping weight on it? Let's see, shipping weight is 26.4 pounds, and so that's what the box really is. And they have not much on the sides. They go on the back here, and they kind of just have, this is the PFC model, which is that pure sine wave, making sure that you can have the correct sine wave coming out, rather than having, like the old ones, little blocks in it while you or flat levels through the sine wave, so it's going to be a smooth sine wave. So that's a nice improvement, and I like to have that for electronics. And the review, if I re-review this, I probably will in a month, just to give you an update on how it's working versus the other ones that I will go through. So here it is, and you can slide it out here. Let's see, or I can. Whoa, let's not drop it. So there's the box. So this is there, and as I am dropping everything, so each corner comes in a styrofoam piece, and they have two more styrofoam pieces at the bottom. So it's actually really well packed. It's not moving anywhere in that box, and they actually made it easier with these styrofoam pieces to kind of take out. I don't remember on the last one, it's been a couple years, but that's actually a nice feature. They also have a USB cable in here and the manual to hook it up to your computer if you want. I don't normally hook it up to my computer, but that is there. I'll put in my stack of cables behind me once I'm done. But that's all that's in the box, is just this device, a plastic bag around it, and the styrofoam with the cable and the manual. So we'll put that off to the side here, and we will take it off the plastic. So I think they did an overall good job packing. I mean, you got to have some styrofoam that has got some heft to it, because otherwise you won't be it'll be damaging the styrofoam more than anything else. So the old one does not have a movable LCD screen or anything. So this is the front now, and this is the on-off. The old one has everything. As I look to it, I'll probably put these side by side at some point, just so you can see the difference in the review. But this is not light, just holding it here. So I'm gonna put it on my shoulder so you guys can get, hopefully I can see that. So up on top you have the power button, you have the up down arrows, so the display, mute, and then you have enter for your setup, enter setup as well. So that's a cool little feature. You have the LCD screen, which does come out, so you probably heard that. And I believe this one is in color, where the old one is black and white. So this is an upgraded front panel versus the old one that I have. And I guess we can have a little fun here and do the peel. Oh, and then it sticks to me. So then you have your USB-A and your USB-C. That's 3.1 amps there on, I bet you it's a USB-C one. I'd have to read the instructions for that. So then this side, the top tells you got to make sure you hook up the battery. So the battery needs to be hooked up. What else? So there's the top. There's the sides. Oops. There we go. So the other side. There's the bottom, which has got its little feet on. So there, and then we will show you the back. It has USB serial, network / phone. There is an expansion port on here. I don't think there's an SMT communication card expansion port on the other ones that I'm guessing you can order, but you had to have battery and surge, and you have surge, and it has its own circuit breaker on there too. So I'll give you a second there so that you can see this. But overall, so the surge is in there. So we've improved the USB-C part, and you got the USB-C, USB-A. I'm not probably going to be using these because, one, I'm at a standing desk and I don't usually keep this on my desk, and this is just another bulky item to be on top of the desk that you're going to move up and down. Because I do sit every once in a while, it's just not all day. So, yeah, overall, I think that, if this is something you're going to put on your desk, definitely, this is a huge benefit. You have your USB-C port there with your new phones or USB. You can charge your phone right there and go from there. I got to look at CC. Do not lift the LCD. So it has a caution, do not lift the LCD. The UPS by the LCD, it will damage it. You lift from the bottom. Makes sense. And then I believe you should have to hook up the battery as well, but I will have to read the instructions. Let's see here. Okay. So to do that, I bet you it's just these two screws. So you unscrew those two screws, then the front panel comes off, and you should be able to hook it up. These normally don't ship with the battery connected. Maybe they did in this one, but I will tell you that in the review. But this is the new updated CyberPower, what is it, CP 1500, oh gosh, PFC. It's on the bottom here. I can tell you exactly what it is. I'll put it in the title, but the CP1500PFCLCD. That is this model. So it does this is the 1500 VA, which is 1,000 watts on it. So I can't remember the runtime, but I will have the runtime in printouts on it as well. So with that, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking the time to help support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. You guys are great. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.